Hello everyone, welcome back with the another video. And this video another video guys. In this video we will discuss about Threads and Instagram app. So guys, Meta is launching new app like tutorial that name is Thread and Instagram app. So how can you use this app or get early access to this app? So first of all guys, Threads and Instagram app is like Twitter app where you can tweet or you may send threads with your friends, and you may create threads accounts with or sign up with Instagram app. So guys, if you have already an Instagram account, you may create your threads account with Instagram account and link your Instagram account with it. So first of all guys, you may open your app store and get in search bar, you may write here Threads and Instagram. Threads and Instagram, and you may check. So guys, you may open this Threads and Instagram app. So you may open this, and guys, you may check that this is not available here, and this is coming soon, and expected release date is 6 July 2023. And you may click on get, and when this app will available, you may get notification of this app. Download or install this app easily. So guys, you make a click on get, and you will be notified through your app store, and you can get this app and create your Thread accounts and link it with Instagram and use it easily. So guys, method guys, you can fix this problem with this is. So this is the video guys. For more video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.